Alright, here's Mars. He's just filling up the cheap Chinese. What is it, Mars? The Baus? I'll tell you what, we've cut a bit of wood with the Baus right now. It's done a pretty good job so far, eh?
Fucking knock it yet.
No, I've got a bomber, mate. Just these Chinese ones are pretty good, eh?
I'm trying to redeem myself after the failure of
crap.
bringing a certain bag.
Alright, we're just going to go over and get a few more logs with the Baus and the see how it goes. I think it says recommended, what is it, 52cc, but I don't think it's exactly.
This is the original chain steel, Jace.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get some more wood. There he goes on the Baus. Alright, we just cut up a bunch of Muzz, just cut up a bunch of logs for the fire here for tonight. Gonna get a couple more. Here he is now, he's cutting a few more, he's doing the hard yards, the old Muzz.